According to the Weather Channel website, it is 90 degrees with humidity that makes it feel like 95 degrees, which is pretty damn hot considering we are barely into June. And I just set the thermostat for the downstairs unit to 68. See if I could get it to come on and just stay on for the duration of the video. Yeah, it's really warm out, so I figured I'd do a video of my air conditioners running under a relatively high heat load. It honestly does not feel... I mean, it's warm and very humid and muggy, but it does not... Like, compared to last summer when it hit, like, over 100 degrees, this is, like, nothing. It's not as bad as it was last summer. It does not feel like it's 95 degrees. And I don't know why that unit's not turning back on. But yeah, last summer, it got so bad that like we had a drought, and it just got so hot that all the grass died. Like last summer, this was all just brown, and because of the township ordinance regarding droughts, we could not really water our lawns. So the homeowners association just planted grass seed over the sod that had died, and it's grown in pretty well. Like, I mean, all this died. And I still don't know why that unit's not turning on. But yeah, basically the thing I've noticed is when an air conditioner is running under a higher heat load, the air coming out of the top of the unit is warmer. The air being discharged is warmer. Alright, I'll be right back. There it goes. Yeah, that was weird. There are times like during the winter months, these air conditioners will not be used for like 6 months or more, like between, I don't know, October and March. And peak air conditioner usage in this part of Pennsylvania is between June and early September. That's when it is at the hottest. And anyway, as I was saying, these air conditioners, they can be dormant for months. And I select the cool function on the thermostat, and they will fire right up. Like, they will just fire right up. But sometimes, like right now, for example, the air conditioner was running, and it shut off, and I turned the thermostat from 70 to 68, and it was taking a while to, like, kick back on. I don't know why it does that. And we are going to get these tuned up this month. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. They just need to be tuned up. They'll check the refrigerant, the Freon level. They're going to replace the filters. Technically, we can do that ourselves, but it's really a pain in the ass to disassemble the furnace and put a new filter in there. Like, you have to totally take it apart. It's not like my friend's Train furnace or my grandmother's Goodman air handler, where you can just slide the filter in and out. And they're going to even wax the units too, like wax the cabinets. But yeah, sometimes the thermostat and the air conditioners cooperate, sometimes they don't. So yeah, that one, the downstairs one, is set to 68, and I don't know what the upstairs one is set to. I set it to 68 at night when I'm sleeping, but I think my dad might have put it back up to 70. Like, we keep it at 70 to 72 during the day, and 68 when we're sleeping. I like a cold house when I'm sleeping. Alright, and my battery just went down to its final bar. I'm gonna need this camera for Puck tonight, so I better go charge it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.